يوم تبيض وجوه وتسود وجوه فأما الذين اسودت وجوههم أكفرتم بعد إيمانكم فذوقوا العذاب بما كنتم تكفرون.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Alhamdulillah, in previous session, in last few sessions we've been doing plurals, and in the last session we did Jama' Mudhakkar Salim and Jama' Muannath Salim, how to make the mansoob majroor and how to identify with the marfu forms. Inshallah, today we're going to do another very interesting aspect of how to describe these plurals. So just a quick revision before we proceed, that in plurals in Arabic, so they can be classified as like aqil plurals, the human or rational beings, or it can be a ghair aqil, means non-human or any objects, inanimate objects or anything which is having no intelligence. So we did aqil, that they can be two types, with jam'u salim, that is sound plurals where the word is retained in its original form, and they can be a jam'u taksir where it's called broken plurals, where we break the original pattern of the word. We did some jam'u taksir examples like kibarun, sigarun, qisarun, tujjarun. The different patterns here, fi'alun, fu'alun, like fu'ulun, duyufun, zumala'u, fuqara'u, like fu'ala'u, atibba'u. These are the different patterns we get in jam'u taksir. And jam'u salim, we know we got Jama' Mudhakkar Salim, where you identify as una in marfu form, ina in mansoob and majroor form, like muslimuna, muslimina, muslimina. And we got Jama' Muannath Salim, where we identified marfu as atun, like muslimatun, and atin as majroor and mansoob form, muslimatin, muslimatin. So these are the plurals for humans, or aqil plurals, Jama' Mudhakkar Salim and Jama' Muannath Salim. And these are the examples here, Jama' Mudhakkar Salim and Jama' Muannath Salim. So when we use demonstrative pronouns for these plurals, we use appropriate pronouns. For example, we got hada talibun, we use haulai tullabun, or we use tilk zalika tullabun, we use ulaika tullabun. So we use plural demonstrative pronouns for aqil plurals. So for example, if you see here, hada talibun, we use haulai tullabun. So it has to match. The mubtada and khabar has to match. We've learned this. For example, if it's hadi talibatun, we say haulai talibatun, because for both male and female we got one demonstrative plural pronoun. And same thing for zalika and tilka for ba'id. So we say zalika talibun, we got ulaika tullabun. If it's tilka talibatun, we say ulaika talibatun. So we are aware of this, alhamdulillah. So coming to plurals of objects or irrational things. So these are what we call it as non-human broken plurals, or we say jam'u ghayr aqil, ghayr aqil. So we don't have intelligence. So we have different patterns of these as well. Very few we use sound forms, but most of the jam'u ghayr aqil or jam'u taksir, most of them. Okay, for example, you got nujumun, durusun, aqlamun. This is abwabun. So these are the plurals for najm in stars, durus means dars, lesson, aqlam means plural for qalam, which is pen, abwab means plural for bab, which means door. So what if we are saying hadha najmun, so we're using demonstrative pronoun hadha, this is a star. So if you want to use a demonstrative pronoun for the plurals, nujumun. So what do we use? We know for aqil, we said if it is hada talibun, we use haula'i. And if it is tilka talibatun, we say haula'i, ulaika talibatun. So what demonstrative pronoun we have for a plural of a ghayr aqil? Do we have haula'i? We said no, we don't use haula'i, ulaika for non-human beings. We use only to point aqil, these pronouns. So what is the so this is what we have is a very interesting bit in Arabic, where the demonstrative pronoun which is used to point jam'u ghayr aqil is hadihi. It is hadihi, or it is used tilka. So we don't have haula'i or ulaika, but we use hadihi and tilka. This is a different, a unique concept which is there in Arabic. So what is the concept? For example, if you say hada baytun, the plural of bayt is buyut. So we say hadihi buyutun. What do you say? Hadihi buyutun. If it is hadihi sayyaratun, so here hadihi, why hadihi? Because ta marbuta, it's a feminine noun, we use hadihi. But we use hadihi again if it is a plural. So whether it is feminine or it is a plural form, we use hadihi, no matter if the noun is mudakkar or muannas. So buyut is a masculine noun and sayyarat is a feminine noun. In both the cases, what we use is hadihi. And if it is zalika baytun, that is a house, we say tilka buyutin. So you say these are houses. We don't say those are houses in Arabic. We say these are houses. Tilka sayyaratun, that is a car. We use tilka because a feminine noun, but we use tilka again if it is a plural form. Whether it is mudakkar or muannas, we use ismul ishara lil muannas, lil qarib and lil ba'id. So why is it so? Why do you use these forms? It's very So what happens in Arabic is the non-human broken plurals, it is considered, or what is called as jam'u ghayr aqil, it is considered as a single female. So whatever is a plural form of a ghayr aqil, like buyut, nujum, durus, these are all inanimate or they are irrational things. So any ghayr aqil, so it is considered as a single female. So it is replaced like a bint, like a girl. So it is as though they pretend as though they are talking about a girl. For example, if you say hada kitabun jamilun, this book is beautiful. So you say if there are many books, what do you say? Hadihi kutubun jamilatun. So you just replace the kutub with bint, we say hadihi bintun jamilun. But if it is a plural form, you say hadihi kutubun jamilatun. There's a very interesting story which is described by Brother Asif. I'm just trying to tell you, inshallah. So there was a king who had his kingdom, and his kingdom was under attack. So he had a minister. He came running to him and he said, "Oh king." He was very worried. He said, "What happened? Why do you look so worried?" He said, "Oh king, we are being attacked by a big army." So what he says, the army in Arabic is called jundun, but it also called as jam'un. Jam'un means it's a group. So instead of jundun, he uses jam'un. We have been attacked by a big jam'un. So he says the king is very relaxed and he says, "La takhaf, don't worry." He says, "La taqlaq, don't worry, don't be scared." He says, "Kullu jam'in," says "Kullu jam'in mu'annas." The whole army is one female. So you use the word jam'in. So we use this phrase here, kullu jam'in. So every plural form which is غير عاقل is a مؤنث, is a single female. So this is what our topic is. So every غير عاقل plural جمع غير عاقل كل جمع مؤنث is a مؤنث, is a single female. So let's practice. So if it is هذا نجم, so we got نجوم. The plural of نجم is نجوم. We say هذه نجوم. So if it is هذا درس, we say هذه دروس. We say هذا قلم, we say هذه أقلام. هذا باب, so what do we say? هذه أبواب. So هذه نهر. نهر means a river. So anhar means plural for rivers. Rivers. So we say هذه أنهار. So jabalun means mountain. هذا جبل, this is a mountain. We say هذه جبال. So هذا كلب. كلب means dog. So هذه كلاب. So بحر. بحر means a rivulet. So هذا بحر. هذه بحار. So if it is a feminine nouns like ساعة, so initially we use هذه because it is a feminine word, but even if it is plural we'll say هذه ساعات. So it is هذه in both situations, singular and in plural form. So هذه سيارة. هذه سيارات. Why? Because كل جمع مؤنث. هذه طائرة. هذه طائرات. These are planes, these are aeroplanes. ذلك, if it is للبعيد, so you say that is a star. ذلك نجم, you say تلك نجوم. So there is an error here. تلك نجوم. So تلك سيارة. تلك سيارات. So this is a form table just to remember how the plurals are classified. So we got plurals here, we got sound plurals, broken plurals, and sound plurals we have sound masculine, which is jama' muzakkar salim and jama' muannath salim, and broken plurals where the words are broken, we got human broken plurals, which we have different patterns. This represents the different patterns like fu'alun, fi'alun, fu'ulun. So these are the different patterns we have here. And in non-human broken plurals, even they come in different patterns, but they are considered as a single female. So just for you to remember. So just remember the non-human or jam' or ghayr aqil is kullu jam'in mu'annath. So inshallah we'll do a lesson tomorrow in the next class, and we will have more practice of this concept. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.